Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward guide on navigating the world of digital assets. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw Cardano from Phantom Wallet to Bitmart in 2025. If you're holding some ADA and want to move it over to Bitmart for trading or storage, you're in the right place. This process is simple, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your funds secure. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device and some Cardano, ADA, in your wallet. Also, ensure you have a verified Bitmart account ready to receive the funds. If you haven't done that yet, pause here and get those accounts linked. Step 1. Open your Phantom Wallet app and unlock it with your password or biometric authentication. Once inside, navigate to your Assets tab and select your Cardano balance. You'll see the amount you hold right there. Step 2. Hit the Send or Withdraw button. Depending on the app's interface in 2025, it might look a bit updated. Enter the amount of ADA you want to withdraw, making sure to leave enough for any network fees. Step 3. Now, for the destination. You'll need to paste in your Bitmart deposit address. Head over to your Bitmart account, go to the deposit section, and select Cardano. Copy that unique address. Double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Step 4. Add any required memo or tag if Bitmart asks for it. This is crucial for your funds to land correctly. Review the transaction details, including fees, and confirm the send from Phantom Wallet. You'll get a confirmation pop-up, so take a breath and hit approve. Once the transaction is broadcasted, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to appear in your Bitmart account, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on it using blockchain explorers like Cardano Scan. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn your Cardano to Bitmart. Always prioritize security by using hardware wallets for larger amounts and staying updated on any platform changes in 2025. If this tutorial helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.